In this video I'm going to show you how to copy, print and scan with your HP NY6400 series printer. Now the first thing is to open the top scanner lid for the copy. Place the page facing downwards. Close the lid. You should be able to see the lights on the display panel. Select color light for color print and the white light for the black print. Next is to do the printing and scanning. For wireless printing and scanning you can use any device like iPhone, Android phone. So make sure you have connected your printer with the Wi-Fi network. So open the HP Smart app, select any document, or you can select any photo or email and then click on the print button. If you want, you can also change the print settings. Two-sided and one-sided you can do. And if you are ready for that, you can just simply click on the print icon after that, and it will send a command for the printer to print a page. If you want to do the scanning, again we have two options. You can use the top feeder tray for multiple scannings, and you can use the scanner bed for just scanning passports, photos. And once you are ready, simply click on the printer scan button in the app and click on the print icon. So scan is transferred, and this way we can do the scanning. If you want, you can share it or you can save it. Now go back to your home button. So this way we can do the copy, print and scan with this printer. Thanks for watching.